Before you step foot on another plane, stop and watch this video, because these 11 travel hacks and the bonus tip at the end will save you time, money, stress, and maybe even your vacation. Whether you're flying for the first time or you're a seasoned traveler, I guarantee you'll find something here that'll blow your mind. Let's jump straight into it. 1. Roll your clothes plus use packing cubes. Rolling clothes not only saves space, it prevents wrinkles and lets you see all your options at a glance. But combine that with packing cubes, and you've got next-level organization. Pro tip, pack by outfit or occasion. 1 cube for beachwear, 1 for city exploring, and 1 for evening dinners. Makes unpacking at your destination effortless. 2. Hide cash in 3 different places. Rule number 1 when traveling, never keep all your money in one spot. Hide some in your wallet, stash some in your bag lining, and maybe even tuck a bill in your shoe. If you get pickpocketed or lose a bag, you're not stranded. Use Southwest's free bags policy. Let's be honest, baggage fees are one of the worst parts of flying. Most US airlines charge $30 to $40 per checked bag, and if you're traveling with family, those costs add up fast. But there's one airline that still does it differently, Southwest. When you fly Southwest Airlines, you can check 2 bags for free. Yes, completely free. That's up to $160 in savings round trip, compared to most other airlines. 4. Download Google Maps offline. Before you even leave your house, download your destination's map. Open Google Maps right pointing arrow, search your city right pointing arrow, tap download, boom. Now you can navigate the city, even without Wi-Fi or mobile data. Perfect for getting around abroad, and it won't drain your battery as fast either. 5. Collapsible water bottle with a filter. Traveling light, get a foldable water bottle with a built-in filter. It saves space, saves you from buying overpriced bottled water, and protects you in countries where tap water isn't safe. 6. Take photos of important docs receipts. Before you leave, take clear photos of your passport, visa, vaccine card, travel insurance, and any bookings. Email them to yourself and save them in a password-protected folder. Lose your passport, boom, backup ready. 7. Fly early to avoid delays. Early flights equals fewer delays, less crowded airports, and better chances of upgrades. Delays stack throughout the day, so the earlier you fly, the smoother your trip. 8. Track your luggage with a smart tag. Put an air tag or tile inside your checked bag. If your luggage goes missing, you'll know exactly where it is, even if the airline doesn't. Peace of mind in your pocket. 9. Carry hand soap sheets or mini sanitizer. Some public restrooms have no soap. Bring dissolvable soap sheets or a small sanitizer bottle, lightweight, TSA safe and hygienic. 10. Learn 3 phrases in the local language. Even just hello, thank you, and excuse me go a long way. Locals appreciate the effort, and it opens doors you didn't expect, including discounts or insider help. 11. Enroll in TSA PreCheck or Clear. If you travel more than twice a year, TSA PreCheck is worth every penny. No shoes off, no laptop out, and security takes under 5 minutes. Clear is even faster, especially in major US airports. Combine both and you're breezing through every time. Bonus tip, always compare Uber, Lyft, and local taxis. Here's a mistake a lot of travelers make, assuming Uber is always cheaper. But here's the truth, ride prices fluctuate constantly, depending on the time of day, location, events in the area, and even weather. For example, during a concert or sporting event, Uber and Lyft surge prices can skyrocket, while a flat-rate taxi might actually be cheaper and faster. Some US airports add a surcharge for Uber and Lyft pickups, but not for taxis, so in some cases, walking a block to a hotel or public pickup area can save you a few bucks too. Bottom line, always compare before you book. Don't just default to the app you always use, your wallet will thank you. Now you're ready to explore the world like a pro. From New York to Canada, Australia to England, these hacks can help you save time, money, and sanity. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly travel tips. Comment below, which of these hacks are you going to try first? See you on the next trip, and until then, safe travels.